What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. In this episode, we'll be taking the first look at the new 57 Chevy that I just picked up off the interweb. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so our guy already has 5 57 Chevys. Decided to pick up another one. Seems like the logical choice of any other 57 guy. And I picked this up off the old interweb. Got it unloaded, had it delivered to me. Hooked it up, chained it to a tree, yanked it off the trailer like any other body would do. She's a solid old girl. 210, 4-door sedan. Last tagged South Carolina 1974. She has a little bit of rot in the tail pan, but that's no biggie. She's got all the chrome, all the glass. The driver's side glass that's broken out, it was included in the deal, brand new, so I do have that as well. I have all the original tires. Like I said, it's solid. Was originally that green color, but somebody painted over it, and it's kind of got a good patina look. Like right here, I mean, on the doors, especially on this side, I mean, I really like how it looks. I kind of probably going to just rock a patina look on this one. And it's got the typical lower fender rot, but overall, I mean, it's a really solid car. Like I said, this is the 210 model. You can tell the 210 because it don't have the belt line trim or the chrome right here, and the fin doesn't come up to right here. It stops back here, so you can tell that's the 210-0, and you would have the fin trim right there, but you don't have that. You just got Chevrolet marker. She is complete. She has the original engine and transmission. The old straight six. This side is just as solid as the other. The rockers is pretty decent. No major issues there, just a typical problem. Lower fender again. This door does not want to open. Have to open it from the inside. Just taking a look in here. We got some hubcaps. I don't really know if those are original to the car or not. We have another South Carolina tag, 1971. We had the chrome, both pieces for the front fenders. We got some more hubcaps, and let's see if this door open. That door opens. We got a flower pot of something in there. Let's see. We got a bunch of welding sticks. That's pretty cool. We got some Bud Light. Looks like we have a radio down here. Yeah, we'll clean that out later. Worry about that. See if we can get this front door open. That works. This car has got a good, clean, clear title. I actually have 2 titles of this car. The guy, it was a second owner car, so I got the original title and a new title, so that's awesome. It says 210 here, but it's upside down, but it says 41,000 original miles, which I would definitely believe. Like I said, this is a 2-owner car, and it was parked in 1974. Still even has the key in the ignition. I never get that lucky. Original seats. Pretty rough, but we'll manage. Okay, walk to the other side. Door shut good. Front end is pretty straight. I mean, no major rust or anything. The hood is nice and smooth, no pitting or anything. The only pitting on the car is right here. A little Bondo fixed that. And the doors is pretty squeaky. Well, as you can see, we got more of that good green color. I would have to look that shade up. But it's the radio and clock deletes. Still has those. Those are hard to find. We got the heat down there. Dash is good and solid. Came with a timing light, old school. That's neat. Let's see if we got floors. I doubt it with it having carpet. Carpet to rot out a car. If y'all want to park one, definitely yank the carpet out. But we got a little bit of floors, but it looks to me like it's the hot rod edition with the reduced body. And we have a lot of whatever this is. I have no idea what that is. So we're going to have a lot of cleaning to do on this old girl. But considering she's older than Betty White, almost, let's get to work on her. Here's the trunk. We got some goodies up in here. We got some toolboxes. Those are always good to have. We got a saw, some rope, an old Coleman grill. How about that? That's pretty wild. But yeah, let's start cleaning it out and get a better look at her. Before we take a look at the engine, I just want to point out that this is my 57 Ford hardtop that we are currently working on. I got the engine running and everything, so I've just got to get this one, the engine and this one pulled out and drop the other one in after I paint it, dress it up a little bit. But we are working on it. This is not going to be our next, I mean, it's going to be our future project or next project maybe, but we still going to finish that one, get it running first. But we're going to do a will it run on this one, but besides that, you know, that one's still going to be our main, you know, 57 at the moment. But let's take a look under here. This one still has the actual hood springs. That's a first. This car's got a mini of first on it. But there's the old straight six. She is complete. I'm hoping we can get her to run. We'll probably do that in the next video. She's a little dirty and crusty, but like I said, she is complete. I haven't, you know, messed with anything, so I don't know what the points is like, but I'm sure we'll get her. I love doing the will it run videos. Y'all seem to enjoy them. They always do pretty well on the channel, so I definitely want to incorporate more will it run videos into my channel. Now that's cool. Old Quaker steak, but I've heard some good and bad about Quaker steak, but I guess about all the old cars has ran it over the years at some point in their life. So let's check the oil, see what she has. She's got some. She looks a little low though, so we're going to make sure we put some oil in it before we start cranking on her. Get back in there. Alright, so anyways, there she is, complete engine. She is the 3 on the tree. Carburetor, let's see, still, that isn't locked up. That's surprising. But yeah, alright, let's start cleaning her out. Alright, so the shop vac slam full, about to go dump it. This is what I've done so far. I mean, we're starting to see some carpet. Oh man, she's a mess. This is definitely the messiest car I've ever bought and tried to clean out. It's definitely not going to be the best job. I could definitely rip out the carpet and go some more, but we're just going to try and get out all the weeds and leaves and whatever that straw and stuff is over there. So anyways, that's where I'm at. This side's somewhat clean. I mean, it's good enough to see a mouse in anyways. But anyways, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so it's getting late. I got this side somewhat clean. Somewhat. I got back here, got the seat the best I could. Still got a lot of nails and just still, you know, a lot of stuff down there, but at least I feel comfortable, you know, sitting in there, you know, I mean, to crank it or whatever, you know. So as long as the old straight inline six don't knock like a Jehovah's Witness, we'll be cooking with Crisco. But yeah, still got the front to do. It's getting dark, so we're going to end it here for today. Resume tomorrow as long as it don't rain. Hurricane Ida is supposed to be coming through, I think late Tuesday or Wednesday, so we got a little bit of time to finish her up. And I want to tape off that back window that's broken. Not that it really matters because floors is shot, but every little bit counts. And I can't really say for sure yet because I haven't, you know, removed the carpet, but I may can just patch what I got. But if not, we'll just order a one piece and put her in. I mean, other than that, I mean, the floor so far is the biggest problem overall. I mean, it's a clean, solid, straight car. So all right, that's where we're gonna leave it for today. Stay tuned till tomorrow. All right, y'all, it's day 2. Trying to keep y'all inside the car because it's so windy due to Hurricane Ida about to hit. It's not going to be a direct hit, but we're just going to get some on the right side of it. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and set y'all up, put y'all in fast forward. Enjoy. Alright, well, here comes the rain, so we're gonna have to call it a day here. But alright, y'all stay tuned for tomorrow. Alright, so it finally slacked off raining for a little bit. Same day still, but this is where we left off. The wind kind of died off a little bit too as of right now. But anyways, so we're gonna finish cleaning the trunk out. Go from there. The wheel well, or spare tire well, whatever, is not actually that bad considering. So yeah. Alright, well, let's get to it. finally got the trunk pretty well cleaned out. I went ahead and removed the carpet, and she revealed some more weight reduction. But I mean, this side is pretty decent. I mean, even the spare tire wheel is, you know, good, but something over there on that side, and there was some paint cans and stuff sitting over there, so who really knows what was in them cans. But it definitely caused it to rot out. So we're going to need a trunk pan, we're going to need a floor pan, but I'm hoping, like I said, when I get in here and start taking out the carpet, hopefully it's manageable. Hopefully I can just do this one, that side, and the two front, and save me a little bit of money. But anyways, this is the final product. Like I said, not perfect by no means. Still a lot of trash in it. At least I can sit in it without feeling like a snake's gonna bite me at any moment. I feel a little bit more secure now. Yeah, she still has a lot of nails over there on that side. So, like I said, we're gonna take out the carpet and take a look at the floor in a future video. But the next video is gonna be getting it to run. So y'all be sure to subscribe. See this old girl come back to life. I can't wait. It's gonna be a good video. So anyways, I went ahead and put some PB Blaster on the carburetor. Got it nice and lubed up in the hood springs. Everything's working good there. So PB, if y'all watching, I need a sponsor from y'all. I feature y'all in every one of my videos now. I'm always using it. It's the best there is, actually. I mean, I used to be a believer in WD-40, but I believe in PB Blaster now. But anyways, alright. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Be blessed.